Yes, welcome to Sai Master Academy. Maths 2B lo circles chapter. We are going to discuss about circles chapter in Maths 2B, and which is having for IP very huge weightage 22 marks. Two long answers, one short answer, and two very short answers. And if you know circle perfectly, if you learn circle perfectly, you can solve the remaining conic sections. After circle, we have system of circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. We can solve those also very easily. So first you should understand circle perfectly. So that's why take some time, spend some time for circle. What is the definition for circle? So circle means everyone will draw the circle diagram easily. But the definition is very important in mathematics. So what is the definition for circle? And in first year you know about locus, that locus only circle, but depending on some condition. See x-axis, y-axis, and in this plane I am taking a point which is fixed point, some C, and from this point in this plane with some distance r I am taking a point P. So understand, C is a fixed point. I am taking one more point P which is having some distance r. In this plane, except P, we can take infinitely many points with the same distance. I am taking this side one more point with the same distance, this side one more point with the same distance, some P, Q, R, S, like this we can take not only 4 points, we can take infinitely many points like this. So if you join all these points, you will get a locus, that is called circle. So we can say easily definition, from a point to a variable point having equal distance is called the circle, or the set of points which are having equal distance from a fixed point. Equal distance is here r, and we know what is the meaning of r. R is radius, C is center. Fixed point C is called center, and from center to any point on this locus, which is called one more name, circumference. So from center to any point on this circumference, on this locus, the distance is radius. And we know the line which is passing through center and joining 2 points on the circumference is called diameter. Already you know in lower classes. Now we are discussing about only circle. So center is this and radius is this. P is any point on the circumference. You know C to Q also radius, C to R also radius, C to S also radius, C to any point on the circumference is radius. This is the diagram with the definition. Now what is the equation of the circle? That is very important. Suppose what we are discussing, definition of circle means center to any point on the distance is radius. That is always we said what equal. I am taking center some x, alpha comma beta. Take some alpha comma beta is the center. And point, which is any point you can take on the circumference. I am taking a point P some x comma y. And we know what? From center to the point on the circumference, distance is what? Radius. So C to P distance is nothing but radius is the condition from locus. We solved all the questions by using conditions only. Here what is the condition? Center to any point on the circumference is clearly radius. Just solve this, you will get the answer. So how we can solve? CP distance. We know distance formula. If given 2 points, how we can find the distance? That is by using distance formula, that is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or you can write x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. Before that, take some this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2, then apply the formula for CP, that is root over x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, x minus alpha whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y minus beta whole square is equal to, we have radius. Now just squaring on both sides, you will get the equation. Squaring on both sides, square root will get cancelled, you will get what? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. is called the standard form of the circle. In the same way we have standard form of the parabola, ellipse, hyperbola also we will discuss later. So here the standard form of the circle is what? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square. If you take instead of alpha comma beta some h comma k, then what is the standard form? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. We have in our textbook mostly with h comma k, not alpha comma beta. In CBSE we have all alpha comma beta also in terms of h comma k also. So that's why I am giving in both. Whatever it is, this is clearly center. H comma k కావచ్చు లేదంటే ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా కావచ్చు, వాటెవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్ ఈస్ సెంటర్ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ సెంటర్ టు ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద సర్కంఫరెన్స్, ఎనీ పాయింట్, దట్స్ వై ఐమ్ టేకింగ్ వేరియబుల్ పాయింట్. దిస్ మే బి చేంజ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ చేంజింగ్, ఓకే. And the distance between these two is radius, that is Cp equal to r, then the expansion and the formula is what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h comma k is what? Center. What is the center? H comma k. And what is the radius? R is the radius. For example, he will ask the question. We have in exercise maximum 15 to 20 questions. The question is what? Find circle equation whose center a comma b, radius root over a square plus b square. What is the circle equation? They are given center and also radius. Is asking circle equation. If you have center and radius, center, what is center? H comma k or alpha comma beta? Given h comma k or alpha comma beta. And also r also given. So here we have h comma k and also r. Then what is the formula? This is the formula. Just replace h comma k. Therefore the circle equation is x minus h. What is h? A whole square plus y minus k. What is k? B minus b whole square is equal to r square. This is r only, na? Root over a square plus b square whole square. Here square root cancel, and here we have to expand this. A minus b whole square formula. Here also a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, which is nothing but a square x square and b square a square, and minus 2ab, that is minus 2ax, 2ab, 2ab, and next plus a minus b whole square, a square y square, and b square, that is b square only since we have b here, minus 2ab, that is 2yb, that is minus 2by, which is equal to square root cancel, na? And remaining part what? A square plus b square only, a square plus b square. Now both sides if is there, any chance to get cancel? A square cancel and also b square cancel. So b square cancel. Remaining is the equation of the circle. First write always x square, then write always y square plus y square, then write x term minus 2ax, then write y term minus 2by is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle with the center a comma b and radius root over a square plus b square. So here I will give you some notes. I mean some different types of circles, that is, see here we have the standard circle. What is the standard circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square with the center h comma k and radius r. So see here first one, center h comma k, radius r, then the circle equation what? So if given center h comma k radius r, then the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the standard form of the circle. Now I am changing. What I am changing? Second one. Center I am taking some origin 0, 0 and radius is r only. Instead of h comma k we have here what? 0, 0. Just replace 0, 0 in place of h comma k. You will get what? X minus 0 whole square, which is x square, y minus 0 whole square, which is y square, is equal to r square. This is also called circle equation with the center 0, 0 and radius r. Now one more circle I will give you. That what? Center 0, 0 or h comma k, whatever it is, and radius r is 1. Radius I am taking 1. This is also unique circle. So you can write x square plus y square equal to y x square y square h comma k 0, 0. So x square plus y square equal to r square, which is 1. So this is having a special name, that is what, you know, unit circle. unit circle. Means if a circle having radius 1, that is called unit circle. If the magnitude of a vector is 1, then that is unit vector. In the same way, if the radius is 1, then the circle is called unit circle. The center may be 0, 0 or maybe h, k. And now one more. Center I am taking some h, k, and r I am taking 0. Okay. So if you take h, k or 0, 0, whatever it is, the circle equation will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. But r is nothing but 0. That's why you will get 0. So this is also having a unique name, that is what you know, center 0, 0. Just diagram. What is the diagram? See, this is h, k. Is there radius? No radius. See, it is looking like what? Point. So this is having what? Name point circle. So point circle means point, that only center. Center itself circle is called the point circle. Here the radius is 1. So radius is nothing but r equal to 1. Here this is called, this is having center 0, 0, means it will be like this. This is 0, 0, na? So this is a circle which is having center 0, 0. A radius something, whatever it is, r will be something. So this is standard form, this is also, but center 0, 0. Unit circle means radius 1. Point circle means radius 0. Okay, so these are some types of the circles. We have more in circle. So we'll discuss in next video, and this is just starting and just information about circles, types of circles, and how we can define the equation of the circle from the diagram. And for more videos, please continue watching the videos. I will upload, I think, every day maximum, but if I give any gap, please excuse me, but I will try to give maximum all the chapters in 2B, 2A, 1A and 1B. Okay, thank you.